Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for DALLE 2. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for DALLE 2, go ahead and open up a web browser. Now open the official DALLE 2 website. In the search box, type in openai.com/DALLE2. Once you make your search, you'll end up in this page. Now here, simply tap the menu button at the top right hand corner and then tap on sign up. This will now take you to this page from where you can create a new OpenAI account. Go ahead and type in an email address you'd like to create your account with, or you can also use one of your existing Google accounts, Microsoft account, or with an Apple account. Select any one option and tap on it. In my case, I've chosen Microsoft, so let me go ahead and type in my Microsoft email address or phone number. After you do that, tap the next button. Now enter your password for your Microsoft account and tap on sign in. On the next page, go ahead and enter some of your information, for example, your name, your organization's name, and then your birthday. After you are done, tap on continue. Enter a mobile number you'd like to verify with in the text box and tap on send code. Now, enter the code that you received via SMS in this page. After you are done verifying with the code, you'll end up in this page. Now, from the product list, tap on DALLE. On the next page, tap the continue button and then tap start creating. That is how you'll be able to sign up for DALLE 2 in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.